how to get installment in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get installment in Shopee. To enable installment payments on Shopee, you will first need to add it as a payment method to your account. So now, what you need to do is navigate to the Me tab. So once you're in the Me tab, you will get to see a settings icon located at the top. So tap on the settings icon. From here, you need to select bank accounts or card from the menu. Next, tap on New Credit Card Installment. Enter your credit card details such as card number, expiry date, and name on the card. Once you've filled in the details, tap on Submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.